Hello, everyone. I'm here back with you to talk about the smart contract Tronark. And if you've been following our videos every day, you know that Tronark is currently paying 7.5% ROI. And just to give you a recap, the total contract right now has 27,037,212 TRX. They have a total of 2,293 investors, and they've already paid out over 24 million TRX. What we're going to do is do a withdrawal today, and this is exciting for today because we plan to do a reinvestment after we recoup our initial 10,000 TRX. Right now, we've been paid out a little over 8,000 TRX. And today, because of the referrals we've received, that will put us over the 10,000 TRX level. So what I'd like for you guys to do is vote. Should I continue and do a 90-10 reinvestment schedule or 50-50? I'm leaning towards 50-50 right now, but as you know, I like to hear the voice of the community. So let's go ahead and do our withdrawal. So it said it's processed, and as usual, let's make sure it hits the wallet. Okay, as you can see there, the TRX went into the wallet, so we're all good there. And as you can see right now, our total payout is 10,861.49 TRX. So we are good. We can withdraw again tomorrow around the same time, and that's when we will decide whether we're going to do a 90-10 split or a 50-50 split. Please like and share this video. And remember, if you are also following us on Facebook and on YouTube, I'd love to share your referral link with our community. Until tomorrow, see you then.